Alright, as a beginner, especially those on self-taught path, it is usually a bit challenging to find good YouTube channels and videos or tutorials to learn from. Now, one way to learn web development fast is by subscribing to web developer masters on YouTube. Based on their experience and knowledge of web development which they've developed over time, you can learn a lot from them in a short while. Now, there are lots of good web development channels on YouTube, but in this video I'll be going over 5 really good web development channels that anyone who wants to learn web development should definitely check out. Alright guys, at the end of this video, if you think the video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have anything to say or any channel to recommend, just leave a comment, and if you're new, please consider subscribing for more updates. Alright, we'll start with the New Boston. Now, the New Boston is one of the most popular web development channels on YouTube with over 2.3 million subscribers and over 4,000 videos. Now, Bucky Robots makes videos on programming, web development, and app development. Now, he has one of the best videos for HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for beginners, and he takes a project-based approach for these beginner videos, which makes it a perfect fit for beginners. Alright, next is Traversy Media. Now, this is my personal favorite. Brad is a full stack developer who regularly creates web development tutorials in short, easy to learn videos on any library, framework, or programming language. Here you're going to learn a lot about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, both JS5 and JS6. Alright, next is DevTips. Now, this channel was founded in 2013 by David and MJP before Travis Nielsen took over. Now, Travis has a very unique style that makes this channel stand out from the crowd. In this channel, you'll find detailed tutorials on HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, both JS5 and JS6, and his style of teaching makes this channel well suited to beginners and just anybody who is trying to learn web development. Alright, next is Net Ninja. Now, Sean is one of the best guys to explain core concepts and fundamentals of web development. He has tutorials on modern JavaScript, Node.js, React, HTML and CSS, and loads more. So you can check out this channel, and he has a very good style of teaching which is suited to not just beginners but anyone who is planning to get good with web development. Alright, next is Dev Simplified. Now, this is a good channel for beginners. Here, Carl has a unique way of simplifying web dev concepts. You're going to learn a lot about HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.